how it looks when you wear it around your neck. So today we have a wireless neckband earphones with mic to unbox, and its name is Curve. Basically the company is the Boult Audio, and this product name is Curve, and this is how it looks. You can see on the box, and these are the some basic information like the name, the color, and the pricing. And to the side of the box we have some features listed. Let's see what they are. It says they are magnetic earphones, deep bass and 3D acoustics like HD, and long battery, built-in mic, premium neckband, iOS, Android tabs, Windows laptops supported with Bluetooth 4.2 and 1-year replacement warranty. And this is how the box looks, guys. The box is nice and black in color, and the box is really thin. So without any further ado, let's open the box. Yes, opening the box with one single hand becomes really difficult, but somehow I just opened it. And so that's the covering of the box. So let's put it aside and taking a look at the box. The first thing here is the greeting card with some quote written on it. And yes, it is a single page, you can turn it. It's a single piece of paper written "You are what you listen to," and with a beautiful picture. So let's put it aside. Next comes a user manual. And yes, this is also a single paper, you can turn it, and it's written Boult Audio Curve. And here are the user manual instructions. Anyways, no one is gonna read it, so it's better give them only one paper, so without wasting them so much of paper. So moving on to the main thing here, the wireless neckband earphones itself. So we took it out of the box, so for the time being let's put it aside. And moving towards the box, other contents, we have a small packaging. So let's open it, and it has a cable. Yes, it is a USB to micro USB cable, and yes, it is not very long cable, it's a really small cable with an average quality. And putting that aside, we come across to the next thing, that is the ear tips of 2 different sizes, which is a really good thing to include in a box like this. And here I see the earphones are magnetic, which is a good thing. And to the right side of the neckband we see the branding of the Boult. Yes, the band really looks premium. And to the left side we see the power button in the middle, and the volume controls plus and minus to the top and the bottom, and it really looks good. And moving to the earphones here, they are magnetic again, as you can see. And the other thing I observe here is again the branding on the earphones, BA, which means the Boult Audio. This product definitely looks premium for the pricing of 1500 rupees. The earphones are made up of metal, mainly this part, you can see the left and right. And the other thing I just observed is that this thing is really light, and that is how you are wear around your neck. It's really light, I think. So this is how it actually looks when you wear it around your neck. As I already said, this is a wireless neckband, so it is always connected to your mobile with using the Bluetooth. And the good part is that these are magnetic, as you can see. So whenever you're wearing, they just don't move around and they stay at one place by sticking like this. And the good part is it really looks cool. It looks really stylish, and whenever you want to hear the good music, it's always on your neck. So you just plug it in just like this, and boom, you're into some different world now with your favorite music, your favorite playlists. Yes, and even after wearing these, it looks really, really cool. According to me, this really looks way cooler than normal headphones or normal earphones. I personally like it very much. And the other good part is whenever you get a call and you are connected to this thing vibrates, and that is the most helpful feature anyone can appreciate on this thing. And you can right away take calls from here and speak. Mic is somewhere down here, so it's a damn cool feature. I'm really love this piece of tech. So guys, when it comes to connecting this thing via Bluetooth, it is very simple. As you see, there is a power button, plus and minus. You have to just long press this power button for more than 3 seconds, and it vibrates, and there is a small light blinking down here. And you can open any device which has Bluetooth. You can use any mobile. In my case, I'm using a laptop, so you just have to search for the device. After this, as you can see, it is blinking and it is searching for the device. So yes, there is the name Boult Curve, which is the name on the box as well. Boult Audio, the Boult Curve. So let's connect it. And yes, it's connected just like that. As you can see, it is connected. It is the same process whether it is a laptop or any mobile device, and you can enjoy the music anytime you want. And another thing here guys, here the MRP quoted on this box for this Boult Curve wireless headphones is 4,499, which is almost 4,500 rupees. So actually this is not the correct price quoted on the box. The actual price is below 2,000 any day. You can find it on the Myntra. And don't forget guys, all the links to buy this thing here are given in the description box below, in the YouTube description box. You can check them and do use those links to buy this. And as you can see, these are the blue color, and there are also various colors like grey, red and various other colors. And trust me guys, this is so much light in weight that you just get used to it way too early than you expect. Maybe if you wear this around for one day, for the second day you will not even feel this on your neck. You just get used to it very easily, as it is very light in weight and at the same time very stylish and cool. Thank you guys for watching this video, and do comment down below in the comment section box what do you think about this wireless Bluetooth neckband earphones. And do hit the like, share and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get notified each time I upload new videos. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and stay tuned for more videos like this.